What is up, everybody? So today I'm just going to be doing the introduction part of the 30-day challenge. So the 30-day beard challenge, what I'm trying to do, it's not really a challenge, but I'm just going to do the progress of my beard situation. So you can see here, my beard does not connect. Right here, right here. Let me focus this. Let me move this away. Close enough. So I like the situation here. It's fine. If it can get thicker, that's also good. But the main problem here is this. It does not, the connection, it's not really there. And there's barely any hairs. If I could, there we go. That's the best I can get it. But there's no hair there. I have hair in the bottom. But this is the problem. So what I did was I actually got Jamaican castor oil. Castor oil in general should probably work, I don't know. And I have a derma roller. So what I'm gonna do, show progress 30 days. Let me look at the camera. 30-day progress of the Jamaican and the castor oil. And I bought a brush, I don't know, just so I can get the oils inside. And I'm gonna show progress and to see if it actually works and see if it's a scam. Naturally I might get hairs like this, but I've grown out my beard before and this never filled in. So I'm just assuming that it's just not gonna go naturally. So I'm gonna see if oils and this derma roller here, people use it like this, and I'm gonna see if it actually helps and record for you guys. And I'll probably do weekly pictures, or I'll do weekly pictures and weekly catch-up videos, say how it is, the progress, and how I feel about it. And this is the first introduction right here. This is the beginning, and you guys see next week. Okay, week 2 update, or no, not like week 2, alright, the next week. Let's brush down and then brush to the side, and then I'm gonna brush it up. Actually, I'll do it this way so you can see the length of the hairs. Trimmed the neck hair, that's disgusting, so I didn't want that. Anything else I did not touch, not even trim. So you can see the length of the hair. Again, the side is not the problem. As I previously mentioned, the thing that I really want to focus on, and the reason I'm actually using the Jamaican castor oil and the derma roller, is because I need this stuff right here, this thing to grow, and it doesn't look like I can do this. So I can't really tell if any hair is growing on the wherever this part is right here. Basically just a full goatee, but I'm just gonna continue, and I'll come in next week to do another checkup. Week 3 beard update. So yes, as I just said, week 3, everything's been going pretty well so far. I incorporated the castor oil and the derma roller in my routine, my daily routine, and very consistent with it, and it doesn't seem like it's a nuisance or it's bothering me. After I shower, and I usually shower around like 2, 3 maybe p.m. I shower, put in my castor oil, rub it in, and then while I'm doing my work or whatever, use the derma roller. Here. I did trim. I low-key messed up. I only trimmed that like up there, just trying to line it up, make everything look professional. You can see I didn't really line it up well here, but don't worry about that. This is just week 3 update. If this could focus, that's as best as it's gonna get. There's a lot of volume going in here. I feel like my mustache is starting to go down. You can see that. I apply castor oil everywhere, so it's not just here or here. I feel like my mustache is getting thicker, That might be due to the lighting, but I've been, looking at it daily basis. This is my other side. This is under. Again, like every single week that I mention, I only really care about this. I know that I could grow this. This is not really a problem. But yeah, this I need to grow. I can't really. I can never really show. Oh, that's pretty good. There's a little bit of hair growing, and you can see how it's not bad actually. That's just week 3. I'll keep in touch. I'm gonna stay as consistent as I can. Castor oil, derma roller, and basically as well I'm washing my face as much as I can. Incorporating to the routine, I use like a facial cleanser, so any bacteria or any dirt that prevents it from growing or the follicles from being unhealthy or unclean, out of my way. I'm always cleaning my face, and obviously these breakouts, but I feel like that's like normal things. Anyways, week 3 update. Stay tuned for next week. Peace. Week 4, final week. It's crazy. Been going pretty fast, and I didn't really expect it to end this quick. So this is the final update. Obviously a little bit disappointed, but not really. Like, I'm not really that crazy about it. Definitely my sides have grown a lot. Like a lot. I can focus this camera. Yep. You can't really tell with the camera, but obviously there has been a little bit of growth here, and I feel like the beard is not starting to grow hair like here randomly, but rather it's going in from the sides and it's going in like this. That's what I've been experiencing, and that's what I'm seeing. See how this hair is kind of slowly going and it's transitioning into this. My goatee isn't really forming like how usually sometimes people have it, where their goatee forms and then the rest goes around it. But nonetheless, mustache growth. I think I've seen a little bit of mustache growth here. Whatever this is called, underlip, chin. If I were to brush my beard in the opposite direction, just to show, I don't know if this is recommended because it's probably damaging the follicles or whatever, but if I were to brush it up so you can see the length, there you can see the length of the beard. Oh, my beard, I don't know why I put it that way, but yeah, you can see how crazy that is gotten. I'm going to trim my beard, but I'm gonna try to avoid anything here, just to trim, because I think it's getting too much. So too much, at least on the sides. Definitely I still need this. So yeah, you can definitely see. And then if I were to brush it to the side, like, I don't know what that does, but I guess that gives the illusion. Overall, not that I'm not satisfied with it, but obviously I was low-key expecting a little bit more, especially using the derma roller only on the sides. I was expecting more hair growth, but what can you do about it? I'm still going to continue using the derma roller and the castor oil. I might do a 2-month update. I will still keep probably posting pictures, but I definitely won't be making weekly videos. And yeah, so that's it. That's the final journey. If you guys enjoyed, maybe you guys can get something out of it. I won't leave a link, whatever. Just castor oil and derma roller. I'm not getting paid to sponsor these products. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and maybe this is a little motivational for you to grow your beard. I'm 17, by the way. I'm about to turn 18. So maybe that, I don't know if you want to use that as reference. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this whole journey, this process. I kind of enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in another video for another 30-day transformation. Peace out.